wrong that he requested the British government, I want to become the magistrate in Krishnanagar. Krishnanagar is very close to Navadvip. I want to do bhajan here. After he discovered the birthplace, he wanted to do bhajan here. So he was such a perfect magistrate that he went to court and 5 minutes he would give all verdicts. इसको सजा मिलेगा, इसको छूटा छोड़ दो, इसको ये कर दो. He knew everything, who is right, who is wrong, just by seeing them. So British government was very eager to keep him. So British government said, Bhakti Vinod Thakur said, I want to retire in Navadvip now. So Bhakti Vinod said, no, you come to Krishnanagar every day, we will make a train for you. Tram. So outside the tram used to come every day. Bhakti Vinod Thakur used to sit in the tram in the morning, go afternoon 1 o'clock, come back, then have some 2 rotis and some milk. Then he used to take reply to letters and question answers from all devotees. Then again in the evening have kirtan, bhajan. Then again take rest for 2 hours, 10 to 12. Then again start writing his books in the night. Again get more up in the morning, take again some roti and do milk. Very pure life. And he has written 100 books. And all his books are on the level of 6 Goswamis. He knew Sanskrit, he knew Bengali, he knew all the languages. Gauranga Smara, Leela Smaran Mangal Stotram, and Gaur Chandra Bhajan Upadesh. He has written beautiful books. And Prabhupada used to say, Bhakti Vinod Thakur's books are higher than the Vedas. Simple Bengali language, he has given the essence of the Vedas. Na bhuto na bhavishyati. And Acharya like Bhakti Vinod Thakur will never come in the future. And he has never come in the past. Only once. And we are so unfortunate, we took birth only 100 years after he came. Because when Bhakti Vinod Thakur came here to do bhajan, there was Krishnadas Babaji. You see the temple, that samadhi of his servant, Bhakti Vinod Thakur's servant Krishnadas. In 1914, from 1910 to 1914, Bhakti Vinod Thakur gave up the external world and he chanted 3 lakh times every day. And he went into Mahasamadhi and he entered Radha Krishna Leela with the same body. For 4 years he was chanting and effulgent in his form of Kamal Manjari. His Yuteshwari leader is Ananga Manjari, the younger sister of Radha Rani, and Rup Manjari is her friend, and all of them serve Lalita Sakhi and Lalita Sakhi serves Radha Rani. So he was chanting for 4 years in Samadhi, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Nityananda, Seva Sadhaka Rupena, Siddha Rupena. Externally he was chanting, internally he was offering Kapoor, a beautiful bhoga to Radha Krishna. Hridayate Radha Krishna Sarvatra Sevide. He was serving Radha Krishna in his heart. So every one of us should prepare for the next life. Every one of us should retire in the Dham. Who has made retirement plan? अगर भागवत में बड़े बड़े राजा लोग भी, they used to give the kingdom to their sons and retire when they reach the ripe age. Because if you die in Dubai, then what will happen? Nothing will come. Maybe you will become one insect in the sand of the desert. I mean, sorry. But wherever we die, our consciousness is like that. So, all of us, इतना पैसा कमाओ कि दुबई में फिर अंतिम समय में धाम में आ जाओ. Make your plan, you earn so much money. Gauranga Mahaprabhu said, Grihasthas ko, they can earn money. No problem. Gopinath Patnaik was also there. You can earn lot of money. But then you should retire also. Don't stay with money till the end of your life counting. What will happen? Oh, you have 5 million dirhams in the Sharjah bank, and then you are counting and you die, you become a dog in Sharjah, Dubai. And then you go to the bank, bo, 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 give my 5 crore. My previous life, my account is there. The bank manager says, who are you? You are a dog. You don't have any account in the bank. So whatever, everything becomes zero. In the next life, only the bhakti will go with you. If you make 50% bhakti, next life you will start from 51%. Like Bharat Maharaj, in 3 lives he is completed. He went to Golok, Vaikuntha. So, always prepare. Panchodasham Maram Ralir. Now in Kali Yuga, people used to live for 100 years. So first 25 years, Brahmachari, 25 to 50 Grihastha, you make children at 25. So when you become 50, the children have become 25. And when you become 50, you make children, you train them for business, job, everything. Children start earning, then you are 50, 60, then you hand over the house to them, and then you retire to the Dham. From 50 to 75, you perform bhakti in the Dham. Then from 75 to 100 years, you completely dedicate yourself to the Lord. That was the rule. But abhi problem kya ho gaya hai? Now in Kali Yuga, people are not living for 100 years. Now we were living for only 60 years, 70 years, 80 years maximum. So how many years you are now? You are 30 years? 40 years? 30 years. So you have 40 years to live. You may have more, 40, 50, 100, whatever. So average 40 years you have to live. Out of that 40, 12 hours will go in sleeping. So 20 years gone. So now you have how many years to live? 20 years. Out of 20 years you will earn dirhams in 8 hours per day. How many hours you work? 8 hours?
8 hours and 3 hours in traffic.
3 hours in traffic. So 8 plus 11.
Total finish.
Finished?
3 hours left.
So another 15 years gone in working. So now you have only 5 hours, 5 years remaining.
Only 5 hours.
5 years. And in 5 years, how many hours for taking bath? दुबई में तो बहुत अच्छा स्नान करते हैं.
4 times a day.
4 times a day. Nice perfumes, nice soaps. So another 2 hours gone. Eating gone. अभी माइनस में चल रहा है. Going in minus. So it is emergency to come to the Dham. It is the only deposit in the bank balance which is permanent. So please, make plan for retiring, because you are all from India. You are very fortunate. भारत भूमिते मनुष्य जन्म হইলে যার जन्म सार्थक करी करो पर उपकार. भारत भूमि में जिसका जन्म हुआ उसको अपना जीवन सफल बनाना चाहिए. Make life successful और पर उपकार. Give this to others. So you get lot of material opulence from Dubai, but ultimately in the end of your life, you prepare for the next life. We have to prepare for the next life. we have to retire in the dham. Bhakti Vinod Thakur chanted for 4 years continuously. And Shankarji says to Parvati, anybody who dies in Godrumadvip, in the Akash, in the sky, in the ditch, or in the house, or by sleeping, while eating, while talking, anybody who dies in this dham, Navadvip dham, he will go to Goloka. Even those who commit suicide, if you commit suicide, it is Mahapapa. If you commit Atmahatya, next life you will become a ghost. Bhoot banenge. But in Navadvip, that is also forgiven. In Navadvip, somehow, if you take your last breath, then, like for Ajamil, the Viman came and Ajamil was sitting in there was a small dog in Navadvip, puppy. So Nimai bought the puppy in his house. Sachi Mata said, we are Brahmanas, we don't touch dogs. Dogs are very dirty animals. So Sachi Mata released the dog. Nimai became very angry. Where is my puppy? But the next day, the aeroplane came from Vaikunta and the puppy was sitting. Now he became a Vishnu Dut. And the Rishi Munis, doing chamar to the puppy. As Vishnu Dut, he went to Goloka. So my request is, please come to this dham. Always remember and make this your final destination. Final destination should be this dham. When we are 60, 70, normally 50 is the age given in the Bhagavatam, but it is very difficult to live at 50. So at least 60, 70 years, you should retire and prepare for the next life. Because अगला जन्म अगर कुत्ते बिल्ली का होगा तो फिर फायदा क्या है? Your next life, you become a dog and the cat. So please come to the dham and accumulate this bank balance of Sukruti as much as you can and prepare for that. That is what Bhakti Vinod Thakur is teaching us. Bolo Swananda Sukhad Kunj ki. Swananda means the ananda of one's Siddha Deha, one's spiritual form. So Bhakti Vinod Thakur is situated in a spiritual form. Swananda, Sukhada Kunja, Lalitananda, Lalita Sakhi's Kunja is there. Swananda, in our Atma is like a seed. Inside the Atma, our spiritual form is there. We are a gopi or a cow or a sakha or a vatsalya bhav, whatever form we have, it is there in the Atma, in the seed form. When we are chanting, when we come to the dham, the spiritual form is increasing. Slowly, our body is becoming spiritual. By Shravana and Kirtan, spiritual form is expanding. And one day will come when we will get the spiritual form, and then all these layers of Bhumi, Jal, Vayu, Agni, Akash, and one Buddhi and Ahankar, these 8 layers covering our soul, they will melt away. And we will get the spiritual form, and we will go to Goloka. So, when you go there, please remember me. You tell to Gauranga, Bhakti Ratna Sadhu is there. Please take him also. Because Dhruva Maharaj, when Balak Dhruva was sitting in his aeroplane, Dhruva Maharaj said, where is my mother? My mother, she told me about Narayan. She sent me the forest. So the Vishnudutta said, look back. Already the mother was sitting in the aeroplane. सबके लिए अलग अलग एरोप्लेन आएगा.
अरे पहली दुबई आएगा.
In the Emirates.
Thank you.
भक्ति रत्न सदगुरु महाराज की.
We'll do 4 time parikrama of Gaur Gadadhar, Bhakti Vinod Thakur, Gaur Kishore Das Babaji, Jagannath Das Babaji, everybody. And then we will go up for the Bhajan Kutir. This is the most vibration This place is the most powerful place in the whole Navadvip Dham. In that room, Bhakti Vinod Thakur saw the Yoga Pit in the Dharamshala and then he came here and did bhajan. And this is the place where he experienced the highest ecstasies. Gaur Gadadhar manifested, he wrote all the books. Gauranga's order, Gauranga Shakti, he manifested here. So it's a very powerful place. But Gauranga Mantra was revealed by Bhakti Vinod Thakur in his Amrit Prabha Bhashya in Chaitanya Charitamrit, where Shivananda Sen is chanting Gauranga Mantra. He asked Nakul Brahmachari, you tell me which mantra I am chanting, then I will accept that Gauranga has come in your body. So Bhakti Vinod Thakur reveals that char akshar hai Gau, Ra, Ang, Ga. It is equal to Ra, Dha, Krish, Ra. It is equal to Ha, Re, Krish, Ra. All have 4 syllables. So Ra, Dha, Krishna have become Gau, Ra, Ang, Ga. No difference. Both are same. You say Hare Krishna or Gauranga. Both are same. No difference. Prabhupada says, anyone who chants Gauranga Mantra and anybody who chants the name of Radha Krishna, they are on the same level. He himself writes. In fact, in England, Shrutakirti Das, Prabhupada's servant, he saw Prabhupada is chanting Mahamantra in his mala. In between, he used to stop and he used to chant Gauranga, 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 Gauranga.
Gauranga, 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 Gauranga. Gauranga, 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 Gauranga. Gaura, 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 Gaura,